Welcome to the video lessons for today. I'm going to discuss about bank and non-bank financial institution and business finance. So for our learning objectives are to define banking and non-banking financial institution and to distinguish banking and non-banking financial institution. So in financial institution, there are banks and non-bank financial institution. So when we say banks, it refers to the establishment that conduct financial transactions such as investments, loans, and deposits. So also in non-bank financial institution, it refers to the companies that offers financial services but don't hold banking license and cannot accept deposits. So here is the chart of the financial institution in the Philippines. So nasa taas si Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas dahil siya ang naka-assign sa pag-maintain ng circulation of money sa buong Pilipinas. Hawak niya lahat when it comes to financial aspects, especially the banks and the non-bank financial institution. So when we say bank, merong government bank and the private bank. So sa government bank, example is DBP or Development Bank of the Philippines and the Land Bank of the Philippines. So in private bank, merong mga commercial bank, savings bank, rural banks, and the universal bank. Later on, i-explain ko yan. So, sa non-bank financial institution, meron ding government and the private. So, sa government, merong SSS, JSIS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. So, sa private, merong insurance company, lending company, and the pawn shop or remittance. So, here are the top banks in the Philippines. The BDO, BPI, Metrobank, Land Bank, DBP, China Bank, UCPB, Philippine National Bank, Citibank, Union Bank, and the Land Bank, and so on and so forth. So here these are the example of non-bank financial institutions. So JSIS, Social Security System, Pag-ibig or Home Development Mutual Funds, PhilHealth, Philam Life, Sun Life Financials, Palawan Express, Padala, Home Credit, and the Lubilier. These are the financial institutions. So, insurance company, remittance, and the others. So, here are the types of bank. Central bank, development bank, savings bank, commercial bank, universal bank, and the rural bank. So, when we say central bank, it is the financial institution given a privileged control over the production and the distribution of money and credit for the nation. In modern economies, the central bank is usually responsible for the formulation of monetary policy and the regulatory of member banks. So for example, in the Philippines is the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is the top all over the banks or non-bank financial institution. So katulad din sa atin, for example, sa business, kapag nangangailangan or gusto nilang umutang ay lalapit sila sa bangko. So ganun din, ang mga bangko ay meron ding nilalapitan. Ang nilalapitan nila ay Bangko Sentral. So si Bangko Sentral ang nagpapautang sa mga bangko. Sila ang nagbibigay ng funds para magtuloy-tuloy yung pag-operation ng business ng mga bangko. So next is Development Bank. So it is a financial institution that provides risk capital for economic development project on non-commercial basis. It provides development banking, financing, management, and the remittance services to the agricultural and industrial enterprises in the Philippines. So for example, Development Bank of the Philippines. So ang bangko na ito nag-o-offer sila ng loan, technical assistance, special funds, trust funds, and others financial services sa mga agricultural and industrial enterprises or businesses sa Pilipinas. Nagbibigay sila ng mga capital for development para ma-develop or mas mapalago pa yung mga economy ng mga lugar na yun. Another one, savings bank. It is a financial institution whose primary purposes is accepting savings, deposits, and paying interest on those deposits. So for example, PS Bank or Philippine Savings Bank. So ang ino-offer lang ng mga ito ay savings account and the deposits. So ang PS Bank or the Savings Bank, ang operation lang nila or ang ino-offer lang nila na services is savings account and deposits. Another one, commercial bank. So when we say commercial bank, it's a financial institution that grants loans, accept deposits, and offer basic financial products such as savings account and certificate of deposit to individual and businesses. It makes money primarily by providing different types of loan to customers and charging interest. So for example, BDO. So they are a commercial bank. So actually, maraming types ng bangko. They offer commercial bank, savings bank, and so on and so forth. Example natin tong BDO. So sa BDO, they offer loans, deposits, and savings account. So ibig sabihin, kapag nakita mo sa bangko na nag-offer sila ng loans, deposits, and savings account, ibig sabihin nun, commercial bank sila. Hindi lang BDO ang commercial bank, marami pa. Another one, universal bank. So when we say universal bank, participates in many kinds of banking activities and is both of a commercial bank and investment bank, as well as a providing other financial services such as insurance. So for example, in BPI or Bank of the Philippine Island, they offer commercial banking and the investment banking. Also, nag-o-offer din sila ng insurance. Actually, hindi lang BPI ang universal bank. Almost lahat ng bangko ay universal bank. They offer savings bank, commercial bank, investment bank, rural bank, and so on and so forth. So, yan. Napaka-flexible na ng mga bangko ngayon. Hindi lang sila nagpo-focus sa iisang part or iisang department. They offer a lot. So, here is the last one, the rural bank. So, when we say rural bank, it is a organized primarily to cater to the needs of small farmers and small businesses, small cottage industries, and cooperation associates. They also receive deposit and loan out funds. Ibig sabihin, usually, ang mga rural bank, they offer bangko ito ng mga small businesses. Kasi may mga bangko na kapag sobrang liit lang ng business mo, hindi ka papautangin. So, may mga bangko na for small business lang din. For example, rural bank. So, mapapansin nyo, pag pumunta kayo ng city, makakita kayo ng mga rural bank. Iba't iba yan. Rural bank for the provinces, and so on and so forth. So, for example, in Dagupan, pag pumunta ka ng Dagupan, may makikita ka na rural bank. So, ang nakalagay doon, rural bank of the for BDO, for example, may rural bank sila, they offer rural bank, pinapahiraman nila ng pera yung mga small businesses. Ganun sa rural bank. So, another one, non-bank financial institution. Pag sinabing non-bank financial institution, again, it refers to the companies that other financial services or they offer financial services but don't hold banking licenses and cannot accept deposits. So example of non-bank financial institution again is the insurance company like Philem Life, Sun Life, yan. So lending company, mga napapautang na businesses like for example, Home Credit. Also the pawn shop, the remittance, like Palawan Padala, and so on and so forth. So, in conclusion, bank and non-bank financial institutions are the businesses that provides financial services for the people and for the businesses. They help the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas to maintain that the circulation of money is well distributed for the economic or economy purposes. And that's for all, and thank you for watching, and I hope you understand the lessons for today. Thank you.